Hello guys, welcome to the AC Tech channel. And in today's video, I will explain you what does restrict means on Instagram. Firstly, I will show you how you can restrict someone and where does this option appear. For this, you have to visit your Instagram account. Secondly, you have to click on the top right option of setting. Now scrolling down the setting, you will see the on and off restrict. From here, you can restrict anyone. Like I have restricted our account. Now you can see I have restricted account. I will tell you now what does restrict mean on Instagram. Number one is that if you post any photos or any reels and the restricted person will comment on that, then only you, the user and the restricted person will only able to see that comment. The second option is that the restricted person will not be able to see your activity, that whether you are online or not. The third is that you can see the message that was sent by the restricted person, but he or she will not be able to see that whether you have seen that message or not. And last but not the least is that but you won't be able to reply the restricted person as you can show in the picture. Just have to unrestrict them, then you will only be able to chat with them. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.